Long ago, just as the dust was clearing from World War II, the spark of an incredible idea caught fire and engulfed a tiny town in Arkansas with audio mania. Working from a hot tin shed, Paul W. Klipsch, genius and maverick, designed and hand-built his first commercial loudspeaker with the intention of bringing live music right into your living room. The world sat up and listened. He used highly efficient horn-loaded drivers for maximum power, detail, and emotion. The speaker cabinets were soon works of art, handcrafted with care and attention, like fine furniture. As the years passed, Klipsch speakers became the stuff of legends. The company grew in fits and employed a good chunk of the town. People would drive cross-country to hear the truth, the breakthrough in modern acoustics that stood above the rest. Today, we still make them like we used to, by hand, with passion, with pride. Thousands of rabid fans swear by our speakers, citing something akin to a religious experience with every listen. Remember great sound? We do too. American craftsmen in Hope, Arkansas have been building our quality products for the better part of a century. Klipsch Heritage Loudspeakers. Big sound, no bullshit. Just like PWK intended.